How to make wood floors shine without wax. Dear friends, want your wood floors to shine without using wax? The good news is, you don't need heavy products to get that beautiful glow. With simple methods and regular care, your floors can look fresh and polished every day. Start with proper cleaning. Dust and dirt are the biggest enemies of shine. Use a microfiber mop or a soft broom to remove loose particles. This prevents scratches and keeps the surface smooth and reflective. Next, use a gentle wood floor cleaner. Avoid harsh chemicals or excess water, as they can damage the finish. Lightly dampen your mop and clean in the direction of the wood grain for best results. A simple DIY solution can also work wonders. Mix a few drops of dish soap with warm water or use a vinegar water solution in small quantity. This helps remove dullness and restores natural shine. Buffing is another easy trick. After cleaning, use a dry microfiber cloth or mop to buff the floor. This step enhances the shine without adding any artificial layer. Also, control foot traffic damage. Place rugs or mats in high traffic areas and use furniture pads to avoid scratches that make floors look dull. Finally, maintain consistency. Regular light cleaning and occasional deep cleaning will keep your wood floors naturally shiny, no wax required. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.